Today I saw one very funny video wherein this guy has become a mother-in-law and he's making very funny comments to his daughter-in-law, and this was a very funny and with a very right message going to the society, wherein the gist of this video was that if somebody is going through the extreme circumstances, extreme difficult circumstances, there are three situations that can happen. If that person has gone through something difficult, either that person will become a bitter, like terrible person, very terrible person. The second option is he would do nothing about that situation. Nothing means no matter, doesn't matter now. Third is that person is going to change the situation. Now, this video was about a mother-in-law who was changing the situation. That was the third category, and that was one of the most positive message. We have a lot of mythological stories, and I'm sure all the religions have their mythological stories, in which there were people who were haters, and then there were people who were like taking all that nonsense. What did we learn from those mythological stories? That's the gist right now. I can talk about Hindu mythological stories because I have seen a lot of them. I've not seen much of Christian or any other religion mythological stories, but as I said, all the mythological stories have been based on their circumstances or the situations from which we have to learn that either we are becoming a bitter person, are we being neutral, we are not doing anything about it, or we are bringing a change in the society. You know what happened with me, with my life? I compare to different mythological stories, a mix of everything, and then I only take a conclusion that our mythological stories gave an example that it was easy to degrade a woman. It was easy to rip off a life of a woman, and they have to take that all that nonsense. Few mythological stories, not all of them, few mythological stories. There are some mythological stories wherein Durga is there and they have demonstrated a very powerful woman. So for me, the lesson was not to take the nuisance of people who have been taking an advantage of your kindness, not to take conspiracies, not to take any bullshit that goes below the belt. Just like Duryodhana and Dushasan, they had the audacity to, pull the sari of his bhabhi. मतलब द्रौपदी जो थी उनकी भाभी थी और उनके अंदर इतनी ऑडेसिटी थी कि वो इतना गंदा सोच सके. Manav Surma did the same thing. I'm going to shut this name, but this my ex-husband's brother-in-law did the same nuisance. He did one of the biggest nuisance that any female would, get terrorized. And on top of it, these people feel proud of all that they have done on my life. That is the most pathetic thing that you can do, is do that act and then feel proud about the act that you have done. Then these religious organizations who circulated videos of that to make money out of it. Even in the history, I do not know if there has been any act of such a high level of patheticism that has ever happened in our society. From your point of view, what should I be doing? There are some people who says, go back to your home. Why should I go back? Which home are we talking about? That my brother did not even stood up for me. For 5.5 years, he let all this nuisance kept happening on me. I decide to stand by against this nuisance, and I look forward for those people who can stand by with me in this fight with me. Not the way these people who are creating this nuisance and bullshitting everything, stepping over somebody's life, making money over it, and still feeling that they are doing the right thing. I am against the society. I am against this society. If you align with me, then please support me in open, not behind the closed doors, open, in front of everybody. Because I think we need to have set these kind of an examples wherein the female is not an object of an abuse. Females are not an object that whenever you feel that you can imply your regulations of, okay, let's report for integrity. In what happened in Ramayana, society decided that Ma Sita will be characterless because she stood so many days with Ravana. So let's have her away from that. What was all that nonsense? I mean, I worship all the gods, and honestly, I sometimes I have to question also that why am I worshipping these gods. But since I believe that there is something which I am not aware, so I worship it. But on the front cover, if I see, I do question Ramji's capability of taking the right decisions. I don't think so he was capable enough. I believe when Raja Dashrath, that means his father, not Raja Dashrath. Raja Dashrath was Sita ji's father. No, Raja Dashrath was... I'm mixing up the names, I'm sorry. So I'm talking about the father of Ramji. When out of one of his wives, 3-4 wives, she says that, ask him to go to the jungle for 14 years. In that way, my other son will get the thing. Now, this father loves his son. Okay? Out of that stupid promise he gave to one of his wife, he's asking him to go to jungle for 14 years. Like, was he out of his mind? He should have said, listen, you do not play politics here. Okay? My son is getting married. He's bringing his wife with him. This place is going to belong to him. His father had no strong character of saying no to his wife, wherein he knew his wife was wrong. Now comes Ramji. Why he couldn't say no to his father? Can our parents not be wrong? मर्यादा पुरुषोत्तम, यहाँ पर ये आता है कि हम लोगों ने हमारी मर्यादा को आगे चलाते हुए, आप गलत कर रहे हो तो गलत एग्जाम्पल सेट करोगे हमारी सोसाइटी के लिए. राम जी blindly follows his father's decision. Was it the right decision? Please understand, just because if he agrees, his father dies. His father dies because of that decision. Was that a right decision to do? He could have said, no, father, your time is for happiness. That wife, that culprit wife, who is putting you in tears, who is putting you into the stage, no, we will not take all that nonsense. I want you to see happy, me and my life. So Ramji could have easily said, I am more concerned about my father's age and rather seeing him dying just because of a bullshit promise. So Ramji could have easily said, no, I am not going. So what would have happened? Just a promise would have been broken, not a life would have been sacrificed. So Ramji's father dies when he goes to the jungle. What happens in the jungle? That Ravan comes and takes Sita. Okay, very good. Now you spend all that nuisance, go fight, get Sita, then bring Sita back home, and now society is going to question it. Who the hell is society? Ramji, you already spent all the 14 years of nuisance in your life. Okay? Who the hell is society? Who the hell is society? Now you want to please the society and the society is making questions on your wife, and you're going to ask your wife to get out. Now Sita ji is again gone out. Now she has 2 children. Now the question becomes her integrity, credibility about the children. Now again you come back, and that all that nonsense happens when the Sita ji goes into that earth bed. What is all that you learned from all this? That our gods did the right thing? No. No. Many of their decisions were wrong. Many of their actions were wrong. That gave a very bad example to our society. The only thing is, we are not allowed to question them. We are not allowed to ask our leaders in the religion that why we are following those sick traditions in our society. Why the hell we are not making the right invention and innovations of our value system so that no other female has to suffer like this. But how about the religious masters are being paid enough to create the same discrimination, the same nuisance, so that the females continue to suffer the nuisance from the society? And may it be any action of ripping off their integrity online by putting cameras right from their bedroom to bathroom, monetizing it on any way, and then still doing everything in the wicked name of God. This is how you represent the God? For me, it is out of understanding. God never represents this thing. Yes, our gods have done mistakes. And are you able to recognize those mistakes? Are you able to do things which are new for the society and the right for the society? Question for everybody. Think about it, do the analysis, and then if you align with me, support me. If you do not, then please, you have an options.